Hey, what is up, guys? Welcome to my video. In this video I will show you how you can turn on or turn off the virtualization technology on your PC on Windows 10 or whatever you are using it. So I'm just showing you for my PC, which is uh, MSI B460 Mortor Wi-Fi, and just click on this BIOS settings, and then you will gonna easy mode to advanced to easy. So just I'm gonna select the advanced mode. Then you can see my system Mac B460M and Motor Wi-Fi MS7C82. So Core i5 10th generation. And then I'm going to click on the OC overclocking on this one. Once you will see this list, go down and scroll down all the way and just select the CPU features. The last one, CPU features. Click on this one, and in front of you, you can see on the second list like Intel visualization tech. Just click on disable or enable, whatever you like to do. So my already is enabled by default. I have no idea how, but this is a gaming PC. Oh, that's it. So I'll see you in the next video. I hope you like this video. Just don't forget to save the settings after you just select anything. Click F10 and then save it. Take care and bye bye.